In this video, I'll show you how to record your PC screen for free. So go to Google and search CRX. Go to this website and download this software. After you downloading it, install. Then open this application. Then go to application setting. Path. Check mark here and click browse. Select the desktop. Done. Now all of your recording will be saved to your desktop. Again go to task setting. Then screen recorder. Again screen recording option. Click install recorder device and install this. After you install it, you will be able to record your screen audio and your microphone audio. Again go to the dashboard. Then capture. Click screen recording. Now select the area that you want to record. So I will select my full screen. Now it's started recording my screen. If you go to this icon, from here you can stop and pause. If you stop, then it will be saved to your desktop. Then again you can watch.